Gul, Tujar Win, Thandarke, Gul. Dear Buddhist friend, Buddhism, Gautam Buddha, Gospel of Buddha by Karus, page nung 214 and 217 and 218 say, Ananda question, Gautam Buddha, who shall teach us when thou art gone? Gautam Buddha replied, I am not the first Buddha this world, and I am the not last Buddha this world. In due time, another Buddha will arise in the world. After another Buddha will come. His name is Mighty Buddha. Gautam Buddha said. Last Buddha, Mighty Buddha. Mighty Buddha, of course, must be obeyed. Mighty Buddha, of course, must be follow you. You will never be able to go to heaven. Gautam Buddha said, if you don't follow Mighty Buddha, then cannot you go to heaven? Who say? Gautam Buddha say, for Buddhists, this verse very, very important. Gautam Buddha say, must be you follow Mighty Buddha. If you don't follow Mighty Buddha, cannot you go to heaven? If you follow Mighty Buddha, can you go to heaven? Gautam Buddha say, hey Buddhist friend, all of Buddhists, my dear friend, hey my dear friend, you follow Mighty Buddha. Who Mighty Buddha, you know? Mighty Buddha, Islam Buddha, Mighty Buddha, Hindu Buddha, Mighty Buddha, Christian Buddha. Same say Hinduism, same say Bible, same say Islam. Same say Islam. Same. Hey Buddhist friend. Hey my dear Buddhist friend, you flow Gautam Buddha this verse. And Ananda again question. How shall we know him, Mighty Buddha? Gautam Buddha reply. According to Gautam Buddha, page nung 214, 214, page nung. Flow are the 6 criteria for identify a Buddha. You understand? And nung 1 criteria, nung 1, a Buddha attains supreme and perfect insight at night time. Nung 2, on the occasion of his complete enlightenment, he looked exceedingly big. Number 3, a Buddha died a natural death. Number 4, he died at night time. Number 5, he looked exceedingly big before his death. Number 6, after his death, a Buddha ceases to exist on earth. All criteria match with Mighty Buddha. Mighty Buddha is heaven, Islam Buddha, Christian Buddha, Hindus Buddha, this Islam Buddha. His name mighty Arabic word Muhammad, and Christian Bible direct mention son of Solomon. Chapter 5 verse 16 direct say Hikulu Mamite Hikulu Muhammad im sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Bible and Islam same direct say Muhammad, and Buddhism say mighty Buddha, and Hinduism say Rishik. You think this what? You think, hey Buddhist friend, hey Christian, hey Hindus, hey Muslim, you think. And Muslim, Islam say, chapter Al-Quran, chapter 3, verse 110 says, same say, Muhammad, mighty Buddha. You follow mighty Buddha, you can go to heaven. If you not follow mighty Buddha, you cannot go to heaven. Hey Buddhist, hey my dear friend, I request you, you think this verse, you think, and you read and you research. I research this verse. Gautam Buddha say, there are two occasions on which a Tathagata's appearance becomes clear and accidentally beat in the night, another in which a Tathagata attains to the supreme and perfect insight, and in that altar passing, which leave nothing whatever of his earthly existence to remain. Hey Buddhist, hey my dear goal. You think if you want to go to heaven, must be you follow this verse. Gautam Buddha say, if you want to go to heaven, must be you follow this verse. And Hinduism says same. Hinduism say Gita chapter 3 verse 13 say na taste pratima aste. And Christian Bible say John chapter 5 verse 30 say Jesus say Nauzubillah. Jesus say, I cannot do nothing as I have everything do my God. I cannot do anything. You follow mighty Buddha. Jesus say, and Gospel of Matthew chapter 19 verse 16 and 70 says same. You follow mighty Buddha. I cannot do anything. He say, I not good. Good only one. That is God. You follow God. Jesus say, this verse say, you follow God. I not good. I challenge whole world Christian and whole world Buddhist and whole world Hindu. Same say Islam. Al-Quran book nong chapter 3 verse 110 says same. You follow mighty Buddha. If you follow mighty Buddha, can you go to heaven? Other don't way. Hey my dear Tujar hey my dear Kain, hey Mele, hey Faule, please think you, please things you Hekain, He Surain. Please thank you. If you want to go to heaven, please you follow this verse. Gautam Buddha say, Gospel of Buddha say, please you flow, please you flow. This verse very long. I say you shortcut. This 1 hour also cannot. 1 hour also cannot finish talk. Hey Buddhist, hey Thucharar, hey Khain, hey Thandarke, please, you flow this verse. You think this verse, you can go to heaven. I want you go to heaven. You my friend, you my best friend. I want you are all go to heaven. I want you are all go to heaven. Only I kindly thanks you and read your this verse, but not new book, because new book what all mix, lot of verse mix. New Buddhism, Hinduism and Christianity Bible also same. Lot of verse mix, lot of word mix. You read old days, you buy to book internet, old days book you buy, you read, you see new book and old days book not same. Bible, new Bible and old days Bible not same. Gospel not same. I challenge whole world Christian. Old days gospel and new gospel not same. I already 2 years challenge whole world Christian. Already I challenge whole world Christian. Not same, not same, not same. See you to my YouTube channel. Have everything, have. You see, everything have. I finish here. Please, I request you with things. If you all body want to go to heaven, you also want to go to heaven, but you cannot go to heaven. Non-Islam people cannot go to heaven. If you in Islam, you can go to heaven. Thanks.